Okay, we're here to talk about Ultrasonic 101 and proper stack integrity. And that is how to install a 20 kilohertz converter booster horn. So the stack assembly is comprised of three components. The first component is the converter or transducer, depending on which ultrasonic company you're dealing with. The second component is the booster, and the final component is the ultrasonic horn. In a 20 kilohertz system, the stud goes into the top of the titanium horn at 440 inch-pounds. The stud goes into the top of the booster at 440 inch-pounds. The interface spec between the components, so the interface between the bottom of the booster and the top of the horn, is 220 inch-pounds, half. And the reason is when you disassemble the stack, you want the stud to stay in the top of the horn and the top of the booster. So we use a spanner wrench on a torque arm, and we tighten that to 220 inch-pounds. And we take the booster or the converter, the converter or the transducer, and we thread it on hand tight, and we torque that to 220 inch-pounds, and now you have a properly installed 20 kilohertz ultrasonic stack assembly.